Welcome guys to our new video. As you see behind me is a HP2 that has lost some panels, some seat or some other parts. Also the tank is missing. This is the bike that I bought recently, like 2 months ago, and I wanted to do with you also a video about this transformation, what I will do on the bike and what I do now on the bike. So I will keep you into the journey. Maybe you want to watch it. I hope you want to watch it. And you see here an off-road tire a little bit and the lovely bike that I bought. I'm quite happy with the bike until now, let's say. I didn't ride it really often, and now I'm building it back to original. Original in that way that it will be not 100% original. It will have some performance parts added or mounted, but for example the forks that I had mounted before, they are now gone. I will mount on stock forks, but stock forks with internal from Masachi Shiba 45 that was on other race bikes like the 450 BMW or Aprilia RX 450 550. And as the internal is much better made and you have rebound and compression on both forks. But about that we have already a video on my channel, so you can have a look on it, where I explain what suspension options we have for HP2 and why I chose this setup as a better one. Then on the back we will mount, or I ordered an Öhlins damper, because now it's a race tech from Haha Race Tech. This is a company in Germany. I think it's not really known. So I start with the video where I dismount the front of the bike. Yeah, I don't need to show you how to dismount forks or everything else. This is already the original triple clamp mounted on the bike. As I said before, I will change for the original ones. You see here Touratech risers mounted because I have them, and I will mount them, and yeah, then we will see if they will stay or not. Yeah, the speedo and the handlebar is still original. The clutch and the brake lever is from Magura. I will exchange this also for the original one. And yeah, I have dismounted the tank because here was a rapid racing module mounted, and yeah, I just put it out because this will be for sale soon. Then I had a look on the filter. The previous has used the Uni filter, and I'm quite happy about it because this filters are my favorite filters on the market, and I'm quite happy that he was using this part. The front fork of the bike will be not for sale, but the triple clamp that was mounted with the steering damper I will probably sell sooner or later, let's say. Not sure when or at which time, but I think about it that I will do this. And yeah, then you can have a look again on the wheels. This is the Woody wheels, but it has a flat tire because I have somewhere a puncture in the tire, and these are tubeless, so yeah, not the best ones. Here again the damper. This damper will be for sale the forks of the this company. I have also forks from this company. They will be also for sale soon, or yeah, at any time if someone wants them or someone is searching for something like that. Then yeah, this will be for sale because I will exchange for Erlins. This damper is quite nice. What I think is done from the previous owner, he has lowered the bike on the back, so he has screwed this one a little bit out, so it needs to be adjusted, but it needs a rebuild anyway because it started to leak after some riding with it. Then you have here the possibility to see the radiator guard from Touratech. So this is also something rare. I have it on my other HP2s, and this will be also soon for sale. So if someone wants them, just contact me on Instagram, please. My Instagram is on my YouTube channel, the same name, or you have also the link on my YouTube channel main page. The guards will stay, and yeah, the rest is something that I don't want to say how the panels will be or anything, or what I will change next, just to keep you interested and share my knowledge what I will do. I have already unmounted also the side stand switch from here, and make here with the old switch cable or old switch, I make here a bridge, so I don't need to use a side switch or side stand switch, because this is, as some of you will know, a main failure of the HP2s, because it gets weak here on this point and then it start to bounce, and then the switch got broken, and then suddenly you can't start the bike anymore because the switch is broken. Yeah, but mainly that's it about the bike for now. I would say thank you for watching. This is a little bit smaller episode about the HP2, that I will do a rebuild, or not a rebuild but a modification, an upgrade, and I will share hopefully the next time with you when I have everything done. Because of the forks and the rear damper, there's a little bit of waiting time involved, as my mechanic is for the suspension is a little bit busy, and the rear damper needs to be delivered, and yeah, that takes a little bit time. So I don't want to say in 1 week or in 2 weeks or 3 weeks you will see something and finished about the bike, but yeah, in the end of the summer I hope it will finish. And as you see here, it's cold in Vienna. I hope in your place it's a little bit hotter and warmer, because here it has 16 degrees Celsius, so I need this pullover, otherwise I will freeze here in my garage. And yeah, hopefully the next time with a little bit warmer weather, a little bit something new, because I'm still planning to do some bike reviews, but the weather is not the best one, and in rain it makes no sense to make a bike review for you. First of all, the quality of the video will be not the best one, and I can't really enjoy the ride and focus on the review. So I hope, finger crossed, soon we will have summer again in Vienna and I can do some nice videos what I think about these bikes on the market. So see ya next time, and please like and subscribe if you like the video, and if you like the YouTube channel, please subscribe. This is really great what you do, and I'm every time really happy how the subscriber rate is growing with every video I post. So thank you very much. Bye.